This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Joker sketch. First, begin by lightly sketching an oval shape for the head. Next, draw a horizontal line across the middle for the eyes and a vertical line down the center for symmetry. Then, define the jawline and neck, aiming for a slightly angular appearance to capture his distinct look. Remember to keep your initial lines very light, as these are just guides for your drawing. Now, let's add the Joker's iconic facial features. Place his narrow, intense eyes along the horizontal guideline, giving them a piercing gaze. Sketch his often long and pointed nose, ensuring it aligns with the vertical center line for proper placement. Then, draw his signature wide, unsettling smile, making sure it extends past the cheeks to convey his manic glee. These details are crucial for capturing his unique expression. Moving on to his distinctive hair and clothing. Give him his characteristic messy, often green hair with jagged, spiky strands that frame his face. Next, sketch the sharp, pointed lapels of his suit collar, which are a key part of his formal yet chaotic style. You can also add subtle details like a vest or a tie to further suggest his unique attire. These elements truly bring the character to life on paper. Finally, let's add shading and refine your sketch. Use cross-hatching or soft shading techniques to create depth and shadows, especially under the cheekbones and around the eyes. Emphasize the wrinkles around his eyes and mouth to enhance his sinister expression. Carefully erase any initial guidelines and then go over all your lines to make them clean and crisp, completing your detailed Joker sketch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.